require here before 1 second. That means if I take this point is nothing but 1 second. So before 1 second, so what is its velocity? This is what a speed at this point. What is the speed? Right? Are you able to see clearly? All of you? Yes. So first, what you have to do, you have to find what is the time taken to reach to the maximum heights. What is the time taken? First, we should calculate time taken. Okay. Now I'll ask the questions. You have to tell me the answers. Right. So when it is going upwards with a speed, how much he has given speed? Can you tell me what is the speed given here? Speed u is equals to, okay, 28 meter per second. Am I right? Is it positive or negative? U is equal. Now, what is the given data? I have to calculate the time of ascent. Time of ascent means time taken to reach the maximum heights. Okay, time taken to reach maximum heights. So this we have to calculate. What we have, U is equal to plus 28 or minus 28. You can speak and tell me, because here my chat options are, again I have to go to that and I have to tell. Can anybody?
Plus 28.
Pardon?
Plus 28.
Positive.
Plus 28.
Plus 20.
Positive, very good. It is nothing but positive. Just you can unmute yourself and you can tell me, so that it will be more interactive. So plus 28 meter per second, right? Is it clear, this one? 28 meter. Now can you tell me A is equal to plus 10 meter per second square or minus 10 meter per second square? Anybody?
Minus 10.
Minus
Minus
10
10.
meter per second.
Very good. Minus 10 meter per second square. Minus 10 meter per second square. Now I want to find, so V is equal to final velocity to reach maximum height is C. Is it clear, that one? So what I require now, time. So can anybody tell what is the connectivity between U, A, U, small u, V, U, A and TA?
V equals U plus 80, sir.
Very good. V is equals to U plus 80. Okay. Can anybody respond? There is no problem in that one. Right? V is equal to U plus 80. अब क्या करता हूँ मैं, देखो everybody. So V is nothing but a 0. अब 0 is equals to U कितना हो रहा, 28 हो रहा. Okay. तो उसके बाद में minus 10 into time I require. That's all. Is it clear, this one? Yes. Yes. Shall I scroll? Okay. So now I can show that 28 equals to 10t, right? Okay. Now the time t is equals to 28 divided by 10 is equals to 2.8 seconds, right? Can anybody tell what is this 2.8 seconds? T is equals to, I'm getting 2.8 seconds. Can anybody tell what is this 2.8 seconds? कोई बोल सकते क्या?
Time taken to reach the maximum height.
Yeah, very good. The time taken to reach the maximum height, but he is asking us to calculate the time before 1 second reaching the maximum height. So total time taken is 2.8. Can anybody tell what is this remaining time? So before 1 second, what is
1.8.
the time to reach this point?
1.8.
1.8 seconds.
Very good. 1.8 seconds. Right. 1.8 seconds. That means now separately we'll draw the diagram for it. Now a new problem is created here. Okay. What is that new problem? Let us see. Now I have one body, right? One body is there. Is the body fine? I am projecting this vertically upwards. Okay. So I want a velocity at this particular point. So the time taken to reach that particular height is nothing but 1.8 second. And I am projecting with initial velocity U is equals to 28 meter per second. Right? Can we calculate now? A is equal to, कोई बोल सकते क्या? What is A here? Yes. What is A?
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10 meter per second.
Minus 10 meter per second square. Is it
Second
clear?
square.
Are you able to see clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hope it is very much useful than board, right?
Yes.
We are using all colors. Huh? So, now V is, can anybody tell the answer fast? What is the velocity here? Yes or no? Boliye jaldi. Huh?
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. Very good answer. Very good answer. Okay. कोई तो बोल दिया. Very good answer. Now V is equals to U plus AT. समझो V is equals to U plus AT. अब V क्या है? V have to find U. U कितना है? 28. Okay. -10 इसमें कितना देखिए into somebody chat with me. Sir, I am unable to see the screen. Everybody able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sanskriti Reddy. Sanskriti
Yes, sir.
Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Once again you log out and log in, Amma. Sanskriti Reddy. Right? So this is nothing but 1.8. This is nothing but 1.8. Now V is equals to, just let me scroll till here. Now V is equals to, okay, 28 minus, see 10 into 1.8 कितना हो जाएगा? कोई बोल सकते हैं?
18.
18. Okay.
18.
So V is equals to 28 minus 18 कितना हो जाएगा?
10.
10 meter per second square. Very good answer. That means this is nothing but a velocity before reaching the maximum, but is 1 second before reaching the maximum height. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes,
Yes. Yes. No, boliye.
Yes, sir.
Just you can take a screenshot, Amma. First screenshot you can take here, and one of you send the screenshot so that I can convert PDF and I'll send to you. So done here, screenshot, first screenshots.
Yes, sir.
So solution screenshot. This is nothing but now solution, right? Solution screenshots. Solution, right? So hope everybody understood this one. So instead of chatting, okay, 10, 18, okay, it is clear. Okay. So Sanskriti, is it clear? Sanskriti Reddy? Sanskriti, you can speak, Amma, there is no problem. Like it is not a classroom, that is board. The board means that the screen will be little more. Okay, you can speak out. There is no, okay, very good, Sanskriti. So you can speak out, Amma. There is no problem in this one. Okay, is it clear? Why I took this method is just I'll show. Now previous IIT JEE question I'll be writing on the board. It will be lot of time waste will be there. Is it clear, everybody, with this one? Just speak out and tell me.
Yes.
Okay, now what I'll do,
Yes,
I'll take one question from, are you able to see anything on the boards?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
What
The
is this?
first question you gave, JE 2002.
Yeah, JEE 2002 offline question. Okay, this already we discussed. Yes or no yesterday?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Is it clear, this one, all of you? This is a 1 centimeter. Answer is 1 centimeter. Okay.
Okay,
Or
sir.
shall I explain this one?
Sir,
Yeah.
yesterday you gave a question about two identical cars.
Yeah,
Will
yeah.
you
I'm
explain
coming
that
to that.
once?
This is completed, Amma. This is completed. Next question, that only.
Okay, sir.
This is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now I'll move to next one. This is given JEE 2012 offline question. Okay. Can you tell me this one? So this is a JEE 2002. Okay, JEE 2002. So can you read and tell me the option, anybody? This is nothing but a logical, conceptual way answer. There is nothing, solution is there. Like after reading the answer, you should able to tell. Anybody? I'm reading the question. From a building, two balls A and B thrown with equal speed such that A is upwards and B is downwards, both vertically, right? V and VB are respective speeds on reaching them. So it is given like this. Let me see. So this is nothing but, you can speak out and tell me, right? So this is nothing but a building, right? I'm taking this is a building. So first ball is thrown vertically upwards. A ball is thrown vertically upwards, and another ball from here, it is thrown vertically. Okay. So a ball A and B thrown equal speed such that A thrown upwards and B thrown downwards. B thrown downwards. So this is nothing but VA thrown upward direction, VB thrown downward direction. What is the velocities when they reach the grounds? With the same velocities, here it is what? Equal speeds. Otherwise, VA is equal to VB equals to V. So what is, let me see that out. You can speak out, Amma, there is no problem. So B, some who gave the answers, let me see. Srija given D and Sunita B, C, B, D and C. Okay. So can you tell me now, what is that? B, D, Sanjana Reddy, B, can't see the board. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, no, ma. So what you do is instead of chatting, you can speak out. If I want to go to chat option, then I have to, screen should be off. Can anybody tell what is the answer? Anybody?
C. Option C. sir.
Anybody?
D.
Huh?
Option D.
Option D
Option
or
C.
A.
C.
Both velocities are equal on reaching the ground. See here, first thing is, let me take this distance is nothing but S or displacement is S. Now clearly tell me, first ball and second ball. First ball is traveling how much displacement or how much distance? S or more than that one?
More than S.
Huh?
More than S.
More than S, it is not happen. So must see, it will go like this and returns back, right? So let me take this, nothing but X, coming down is X, and downwards is again, it is what? S, right? So total displacement, if I want for first ball, let me take for first ball, right? This I am taking for first ball. Let me take for first ball. Are you able to see everybody? So I am taking first ball, right? So it is projected vertically upwards, going up and returning back here, right? See, let me take till this point, it is nothing but X, and returning back till this point, it is X, right? X, X, and the remaining distance is S. Okay. Now, if I want to calculate displacement, displacements in upward directions, positive or negative, can you tell me?
Positive.
Positive. That means first time is plus X. This is completed. Now coming down is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Minus
Negative.
X. Okay. Next, yes, S is positive or negative when it is coming downward direction?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. So minus S. So minus these two will get cancelled. So yes, distance traveled is nothing but D is equals to minus S. Let me take this is nothing but distance D, right? So first body, that is nothing but A is moving downward direction. How much? S. Displacement of the first body is S. Now second body, if I take second body directly thrown a downward direction, can you tell me what is the displacement traveled by it?
Minus S.
Anybody?
Minus S.
Minus S. Now can you give a conclusion? So when it is coming downwards here, acceleration A is equals to minus G. Here also when it is coming downwards, A is equal to minus G. Okay. Here a time of descent. Here also time of descent. Everything is same. So V is equal to U plus 8 if you take a displacement in terms of, if you take it as both should have same velocities. Am I right? You understood this one? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, boliye. Speak
Yes,
out,
sir.
speak out,
Yes, sir.
everybody. My request
Yes,
is
sir.
to speak out.
Yes, sir.
So no need of chatting, because if
Yes,
you
sir.
chat with me, again I have to go to chat box. If I go to chat box, the screen will be off. Okay? Yes? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Little louder, huh? Chalo, bye. Now, if you want, you can take a screenshot for this one. Done? Yes?
Done, sir.
Done. Goods. Done. Done. Goods.
Done, sir.
Goods. Okay. Now, okay. Now let me go with the next question, right? So this is 2002 only. Yeah, this what yesterday given homework. Am I right? Are you able to
Yes,
see
sir.
on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, you can see now how much time is saving for me and for you, right? Just you can take a screenshot. Huh? Yes, no, boliye jaldi.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Should be very interactive, okay? Chalo.
Okay, sir.
Now, can anybody got the answer for this one? So
Yes,
don't
sir.
chat me,
Yes,
just to speak
option
out.
D, sir. Option D.
Huh?
Option D is the right one, sir.
D.
Option D.
Louder, a little louder.
Sir, option D.
D.
I
Option,
got
D.
it as option D, sir.
Sir,
option
D.
D.
D. Option D. Huh? Yes.
D.
Option D.
yes, sir.
D, sir.
How many of them got
Yes, sir.
option D? So
Me,
let me
sir.
check it out. Huh?
I got it, sir, as option D.
Sir, I got.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Me, Sanjana Reddy. Now I got it. Mansi. Okay. So let me explain this one. Fine. Let me explain. Now here two cars are there. Let me take two cars. Okay. Storage. So first car, let me take this is a car, first car, right? First car. So two identical cars are there. One more car I'll be taking. Now this is one more car, right? Two cars now. So one is moving with initial velocity u and another is moving with the 4u, right? Are you able to see clearly? Yes, no? One of you respond.
Here only, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, two cars at specific time at constant retardation. What is the meaning of constant retardation? Can anybody tell? What is the meaning of constant retardation?
Sir,
Anybody
both
hai?
the deceleration is equal for both the cars.
Yeah, that means they applied, both of them applied the brakes. So here a person who is sitting, he applied the brakes. Here also a person who is sitting, he applied the brakes. So when he applied the brake, final velocity will become 0 for this car after traveling a distance. Here also after traveling a distance, final velocity will become 0, right? That means slowly, velocity is decreasing. Velocity decreasing means velocity is decreasing. Here also velocity is decreasing, which is called a negative acceleration. What I call negative acceleration, or we'll be calling it as a deceleration. A deceleration. I'll be calling it as a deceleration or a retardation. Retardation. Is it clear? Fine. Now what I'll do, I have the distance s and acceleration up dekho. What are there with me? One is u is there, one is s is there, one is v is there, one is a is there, right? Yes or no? So what I can use an equation, can anybody tell?
V is
B
equal
is equals to U plus 80.
Huh?
B is equals to U plus 80.
V is equal to u plus 80 for use, there is no time, right?
V square minus U square equals to 2as.
U square is 2a.
Very good. V square minus u square is equal to s. Nothing to confuse about it. Why? Because here, why I have to use v square minus u square? Because I cannot use s is equal to ut plus half at square because there is no t term. T term to nahi hai. T term nahi hai. So there is no t term. Don't go with the s is equal to ut plus half at square. Or what is there?
V square
We have v is equal to u plus 80 also time is there. Only one option, v square minus u square is equal to 2s. So v square minus u square is equals to 2a into s, right? V square minus u square is equal to 2s. So this will be 0, 0, okay? So minus u square is equals to 2 into a is positive or negative? कोई बोल सकते हैं क्या?
Negative.
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 Yes.
Negative.
Negative. Sure. Negative.
Yes, sir.
Negative means it is
Yes,
decreasing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Positive means velocity should increase. When velocity is decreasing means it is nothing but negative. Hope it is clear. So minus of A into S. Is it clear this one? Are you able to see? Now I'll write here. Some other right. Now here I'll be writing. So here V square, that is minus U square, okay, minus U square is equals to, right, minus 2A into S, minus 2A into S, minus gaya, right? Now S is equal to what I can write, U square divided by 2A. Yes, all of you? Yes, no, boliye?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, S is equal to U square divided by 2A. Now what I can do, S is equal to U square divided by 2A. Now what I can do here, can anybody tell? Here acceleration is constant, right? As acceleration is constant, can I take, that is deceleration, S is proportional to U square, can I take like this? Yes or no? Do you know this one? Can we
Yes,
take
sir.
like this? Because proportional, what is the meaning of proportional? Just a moment. Somebody posted? Yes. Okay. So just to try to post, you can tell your word. S proportional to U square. When we have to take proportionality, when acceleration, there is nothing but retardation is constant. That is the meaning of that word. See, whenever any term is constant, I can take S is proportional to U square. That's all over. Now what I require, let me draw. So S1 by S2, here S1 divided by S2 is equals to U1 square divided by U2 square. That's all you can substitute here. S1 by S2 is equal to U1 square by U2 square. Now what I can write, S1 by S2 if I want, S1 by S2 is equals to, right, U1. U1 is nothing but U square for first car, and for second car if I take it as 4 U square, that is nothing but 16 U square. Right, these two will get cancelled. So what I'm getting now, S1 by S2 is equals to 1 by 16. Hope it is clear, all of you. Anybody, any doubts? Yes? Anybody?
Sir, once can you explain?
Once?
Sir, I did not do like this, sir.
You did not?
I did not do in this way, sir.
No,
I
no. See, whatever the way you can do it as, the simple way I'm showing it as to you, right?
Okay, sir.
You got 1:16, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, you can take V square minus U square is equal to AS for two equations, and you can divide both the equations, same answer you will get.
Yes, sir.
Because acceleration, anyhow, deceleration is a constant. So retarding is a constant retardation that can be taken as an constant, and we can derive one formula like this. That's nothing but S proportional to U square.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else? Anybody? Let me explain once again. See, two cars are there, U and 4U, both are moving. So we want to calculate what is the distance ratio of a distance S1 and S2 before coming to rest. So what I did, I used V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, in which I got U is equals to, okay, you can see U is equals to, this I am getting 0 minus U square is equal to 2 into minus, I am using, why I am using minus, because of it is a retardation, minus of A into S. Then what I did, I took here minus get cancel. Then I'm getting S is equals to U square divided by 2A. So I can also write S proportional to U square. When I can write S proportional to U square, only when, okay, when remaining terms are constant. See, 2 is a constant, A is a constant, so that I can use S proportional to U square. Then I took S1 by S2 is equals to, see here itself, S1 divided by S2 equal to U1 square divided by U2 square, right? Then S1 is nothing, U1 is nothing but first one, this is nothing but U1, and this is nothing but U2. Is it clear, this one? Still you have any doubt in this one, let me know. Yes? Anybody? Anybody? Have any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes? Anybody? Any doubts? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes,
So
sir.
same model, I'll be giving one more question. Are you ready to do?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everybody,
Yes,
chalo.
sir.
Same model I'll give. Fast you try to respond to me. So this is nothing but stopping distance. Just a moment. Car is going. Yeah. This is given in 2004 offline examination. Yeah. Just in front of you. Chalo. Right. Anybody? Are able to see clearly? Yes. Yes. No. बोलिए.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah. Tell me the answer. It's given in 2004. Given in 2004. B. Varsha Reddy B. Meghana 40 meters. Can just speak, Amma. There is no problem because I have to fix it with this one.
The answer is B, sir.
Answer is B. 40. Yeah?
Sir, 40 meters.
40
Yes,
meters.
sir.
Anybody else? और कोई है?
Sir, B. B.
कोई है 40 meters? Still
Sir, option B, sir.
option?
B,
Sir,
sir.
option B.
Option B. Shall I fix with option B?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir. Option B.
Yes. Yes, बोलिए. Option B बोल रहे. Hope option B is correct. How many of them got? Let me know. Okay, so let me check it out. How many of them got? Option B. Purva got option B. Sanjana Reddy got option B. Shania got option B. Sri Vaishnavi option B. Goods. And next और कोई Alina got option B. और कोई है? So Deepthi got option B. Deepthi got option B. Or Govardhan got option B. Right, good. Or Rachel got Nikita got option B. Good. Or koi Sanjana Patil got option B. Good. Next, Shall let me solve this question. So it is given in 2004 automobile with a speed of, let me take one automobile here. There's nothing but a car. This is a car, right? This is a car. Fine. So car is moving with a speed 60 kilometers per hour, right? Is going with a 60 kilometers per hour, right? Going with 60 kilometers per hour. Hope is going with 60 kilometers per hour. Then can brake to stop with a distance of. So he applied the brake so that the stopping distance I can take Vs is equals to 20 meters. This is nothing but stopping distance. If the car is going twice the fast means that is when the car is moving with the 120 kilometers per hour, 120 kilometers per hour. Okay, what is the stopping distance? S2 is equal to how much? Now, can you use the formula just now I derived S proportional to U square? Can we use? Yes, no? Are able to listen?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Everybody? Can I use S proportional to U square? S proportional to U square. Just now we derived, right? Same model I'm taking. So any doubt in this one, how I'm taking S proportional to U square? Anybody? This is nothing but S proportional to, that is S is equals to, will be getting, if you derive, U square divided by 2A. So here constant retardation 2 and A is constant, so that I can write directly S proportional to what? U square. Is it clear this one? S, no, boliye. Can I take?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so simply I can write now S1 by S2 equal to 60. First one is 60 divided by 120 whole square. 120 whole square, right? 120 whole square. So this is 1 this is nothing but 2 Then I can write now S1 by S2 equal to 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. Is it clear this one? 1 by 2 whole square. So now S1 is given as, can you tell me now S1? So S1 equals to, this is a 20 meters given, 20 divided by S2 equal to, okay, 1 by 4. So just cross multiply what you are getting. Huh? So option is what? What is the option?
B.
S2 is equal to, S2 equal to 80 meters.
Option D.
Is it clear? Anybody? So that means it is not a B option, it will be a D option. Is it clear? If you want, I'll explain again. Anybody?
Sir, explain once more, sir.
Yes, once more. Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Once again, should I explain? Yes, boliye ma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. Erase kar do. Chalo. Fine. So this is the given data, right? So is there any problem in given data? Anybody? Yes?
No, sir.
No. That means first it is moving with initial velocity u1. Here it's nothing but u2, right? It's nothing but u2. u1 is there and u2 is there, right? u1 is there. u1 is equals to, right? u1 is equal to 60 kilometers per hour, u2 is equal to 120 kilometers. And he is saying that distance before coming to rest, that means here final velocity is 0. Here it is final velocity is 0 before coming to rest. What is the distance traveled? This is the question. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here when your velocity is decreasing, when velocity is decreasing, so acceleration is said to be retardation. That is nothing but negative acceleration. Till here it is clear, everybody? Yes, no, boliye. Yes, yes, no.
Yes.
If you tell yes, then I'll proceed. Yes,
Yes, sir.
are you able to see clearly everything? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here. Now what you have done of to get a 40, what you did S1 by S2. S is equal to U by T. So S1 by S2 is equal to, or V is equal to S by T, directly proportional S1 by S2 you did. That's wrong, no, because here acceleration we have to take into the consideration, velocity we have to take into the consideration. Then what I can write here, V is equals to, if you want a individual, so general equation I'm trying to adopt here, V square minus U square is equals to 2A into S. Am I right? So V is anyhow 0 because it is coming to rest, minus U square is equals to minus 2A into S. So minus gone here, right? So I can write now U square is equals to 2A into S. 2A into it. S is equal to U square divided by 2A. Am I right? Now I want S1 and S2. If you want individually, you can calculate S1 and S2. Take S1 now. S1 is equals to, if I take S1, what should I write? S1 is equal to U square. U square बोलते 60 whole square divided by 2a. S2 is equal to, if I want 120 whole square divided by 2a, right? Now divide both the equations. If I divide both the equations, what I'll get? Let me know here. Okay, if I divide both the equations, S1 by S2 is equals to, right, 2a will get cancelled, 60 whole square, that is 60 by 120 whole square. So this is nothing but 1 this is nothing but 2 So 1 by 2 whole square. So S1 by S2 is equals to 1 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but 1 by 4, or S2 is equals to 4 into S1, right? S1 is given how much? 20. 4 into 20, how much here? 4 into 20, 4 into 20, which is nothing but 80 meters. Is it clear, this one? All of you? Or any doubt here? Yes? Yes? No? Are you able to listen?
Understood, sir. It's
Understood,
clear.
all of you? Yes. So now one more problem I'll give on it. Are you ready to do? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the third question, a second question, hopefully, right? So anybody, any doubt here? Let me know, then I can proceed. Okay. Sir, can it be S2 by S1? No, S1 by S1 only. No, the stopping distance will be S2 by S1. So because we are going with first to second, first to second. Is it clear, Amma? First to second we want, because one with respect to two, first to second. Okay, right? Yeah, okay, fine. Now I'm giving one more problem to you. Ready? Which is given in a, yeah. So this is given in 2018 April 15th morning online. Okay. Now you can see this one. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Yes, sir.
should do and tell me the answer. Chalo. 2018 15th April morning. Right? The question. Are you feeling any difficulty? Anybody able to understand? You can speak out and tell me, no problem. You can speak and tell me.
Sir, option B,
Vidula
sir.
B,
160.
Sanjana Reddy.
Option
Sir,
B.
option B, 160 meters, sir.
Option B, sir.
160.
Option B, sir.
B.
Option
So
B, sir.
finally you
Option
got
B,
correct
sir.
answer, right? How many of them? Congratulations, those who got 160 meter. You successfully did 2018 JEE means April 15th morning online question with the knowledge that I given imparted to you people. Right? Congratulations. Fine. All of you और कोई है? So B, Shravani, Sreni B, Sanjana Patil B, Meghna Reddy B, Purva B, Meenakshi B, Hepsi B, Pranavi Reddy B, okay, Vidula B, and Rashmika B, Srihiti Reddy B, Varsha Reddy B, Arti Reddy B, Unnati B, Shravani B, oh, almost all I think so. Hopefully most of them got. So simple way, shortcut method I can do now. S proportional to U square. Am I right? Yes or no? बोलिए. Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
simply what is that? S1 by S2 is equals to U1 square by U2 square. खत्म हो गया. U1 square by U2 square. right? So that is nothing but first let me draw an automobile is traveling. Let me take it some other way. So this nothing but automobile is traveling. Let me take a bus. A bus is moving, right? Moving with the velocity u is equals to 40 kilometers per hour, right? 40 kilometers per hour. Can be stopped at a distance. Now distance for it is 40 meters. 40 meters. By applying the brake, if the same automobile is traveling now, this is one day, first day, and the second day you take it as second day. If I take second day, I'm taking, okay. So when I take second day here, this automobile is moving with velocities. Let me take u is equals to 80 kilometers per hour. 80 kilometers per hour. And what is the minimum stopping distance? So what is s is equal to how much? This is the question, right? Is it clear this one? Yes, no, boliye. So
Yes, sir.
simply I can write this is nothing but u1, this is s1, this is u2, this is nothing but s2. So s1 by s2, 40 divided by s2. S2 we don't know. S2 is equals to here 40 divided by 80 whole square. 40 divided by 2 whole square. This is 1 za, this is nothing but a 2 za. Then I can get here 40 divided by s2 equal to, so what I can write, 1 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but 1 by 4, or s2 is equals to 160 meters. Congratulations to all the students, right? Is it clear, all of you? Are you taking screenshots? Yes, no, boliye. Yes, speak out, speak out, speak out. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good. So you got confidence, you can do anything now. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes,
You
sir.
can solve IIT
Yes,
JEE
sir.
question. Huh? Yes, no. First, confidence is very important that I can solve the IIT JEE question. That means with the inputs that I am giving, you can do even advanced level question also. Fine. See, if you see this type of, I think this is comfortable for you. See, we could able to complete maximum problems today. Yes, no, boliye.
Yes, sir.
If I
Yes,
teach
sir.
this on board, it will be two to three classes might be. Fine. But I have background work is done because I took almost 3 hours to do this work. Fine. Then only it is possible right now. Fine. So we can continue like this only from
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
onwards. Now homework problem chalo. First one, take a screenshots. Right. This is already what we discussed in based on average speed. I think average speed to malum hai. Average speed based on speed. Take homework. Homework ka hai. Homework. So JEE means 2012. JEE means 2012. Kone hai? Kaun hai? Sir, we are supposed to write. Yes, Amma. Yes. Unnati Kanaka. Yeah, you have to maintain the notes, Amma. You can take a screenshot and you can make a PDF format also. No problem. Because notes is Bhagwan, God, Bhagavad Gita for me, for you people. Whatever I am giving, right? Quran, Bible, whatever it may be, right? So physics. If you want physics, so you have to prepare a notes. So this is homework, right? Got it? Sir, supposed to write the problems. Yes. This one. Everything, Amma, everything. Whatever I'm teaching, right? Copied, Amma? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All of you? One homework I've given? Yes? One more question. Take a screenshot fast. Done? Done? Completed?
Done, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So one more question for you. So this is 2005. Average acceleration. So this is already we discussed in the bridge codes, might be in vectors. So if it is there with you, okay. Otherwise, tomorrow will be excellent. 2 homeworks are there for you. So one should know what is how to represent a velocity in a 2 dimension. those who attend bridge course, they can do. If they're not attended the bridge course, nothing to worry. We can explain tomorrow. There is no problem there. Done, Amma? So tomorrow homework is 2005 and 2012. Right? Took the screenshots? Yes, no, boliye? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Chalo then. Huh? Alvida. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
We'll meet tomorrow. Nice. Okay, we
Thank
were
you,
able
sir.
to complete
Thank you,
maximum
sir.
content. Is it comfortable to all?
Yes, sir.
Screen is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is
Yes,
no
sir.
problem of blurredness and all those things, right?
No.
No, sir.
Finally, ultimate,
No,
I
sir.
found a solution after a lot of research. Okay, fine. So what is this
Thank you,
chat?
sir.
Thank
But
you, sir.
one thing is, so thank you very much. It is very comfortable. Okay, Meenakshi Reddy, yes. Tanishka, bye. And one more thing is, you can speak, Amma. You can speak. There is no problem, because while classroom session is there, you cannot speak. I used to mute all. Now you can speak. There is no problem. Okay, you can interact. It should be an interactive class, right? No need of chat. Just you can speak. Okay. So but tomorrow, just ready to speak. Okay. Everybody. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then bye. See you. See you tomorrow. Hope these two
Bye,
problems you
sir.
will do and get back tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Good day. Have a good day.